Round 1, chain 30. We're starting big here. Now, work 28 half double crochets into the third chain from the hook. Chain 5 and turn. Round 2, double crochet in the first stitch. Skip 2 stitches, then work double crochet. Chain 2. Double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches and repeat this pattern 8 more times. Finish with a double crochet. Chain 3. Turn. Round 3, work 8 double crochets in that skip 2 space from round 2. Chain 3 and turn. Now, increase with 8 double crochets. Chain 3 and turn again. Chain 8, we're creating the connection to the next petal. Slip stitch into the chain 2 space from round 2. Chain 3 to prep for the next petal. We're gonna repeat round 3 8 more times. Yep, that's right, we'll end up with 9 petals in total. Round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 2, this doesn't count as a stitch. Work 10 double crochets into that magic ring. Slip stitch to join. Then chain 2 to prep for the next round. Round 2, make 2 double crochets in each stitch around. That's 10 increases for those counting at home. Slip stitch to join. Round 3, we're gonna repeat this sequence 5 times. Chain 9. Two single crochets in the second chain from the hook. Two half double crochets in the next 2 chains. Two double crochets in the next 2 chains. Two treble crochets in the next 2 chains. Skip 3 stitches on the base. Repeat this whole shebang 5 more times. Slip stitch to join when you're done. Fasten off and leave an end. Round 1, chain 13. Round 2, we're adding wire. This'll give our leaf that perfect, natural curve. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Now, 7 double crochets. We're building up that leaf shape. Half double crochet. Then single crochet. Work 3 single crochets in the next stitch. This creates our leaf tip. Now we're mirroring what we did, half double crochet. Seven double crochets. Half double crochet. Finish with 2 single crochets. Slip stitch to join, then chain 1. Round 3. We're going to repeat this 25 times, single crochet, then chain 2. Slip stitch to join when you're done. Bend one end of number 2 floral wire with pliers, insert through center of first petal. Secure with glue. Starting from the first petal, roll petals from left to right. Insert other end of wire through flower base center. Glue each sepal in place. Start wrapping tightly from flower base bottom. Wrap to desired length, adding leaves in sequence. Continue wrapping to end of stem, secure end with glue.